Hey guys, welcome back to Professor Cardz English YouTube channel. And the wait is over. Axis has finally dropped the add-on cards on their mobile app. It is very easy. I am going to tell you everything. But first of all, you just need to go open your Axis app and check the offer section where you will find something like this. Get an add-on card for your family members, collect H points and track expenses. This apply button now you have to click. However, there are few things you must consider. First of all, if you have like 2 or 3 cards like Axis Atlas, let's say Magnus for Burgundy, Magnus, even the Olympus, or any other card, you can only process one card's add-on application. You can't do all simultaneously. You have to do it one by one. So I'm going to tell you my own example which I am just facing right now. There are a few issues as well which I have seen in the last few hours. So hold till the end of the video. We are going to discuss about those. First of all, you click this apply now button. Then it is going to ask you the mobile number of the person you want this add-on card for. But before that, just read some of the facts. It will be a shared limit, like the add-on card holders will share the limit with you. So if you don't have a big limit, there can be an issue because people are going to, they may use the limit and you may not get it when you need it. It can be managed easily. Secure OTPs will be there for their mobile transactions, and credit score will be added to their PAN card. So these are the 4 important things you should know. You can get up to 4 add-on cards. Rewards will be given on add-on cards as per the rates, but the pool will be merged to a single account. Milestones should be and would be achieved quickly because you will have 2 or 3 cards, and the back-end rewards will be accumulated in one, and there will be a single statement. Apart from that, how can you apply for the card? There are a lot of facts. You can go and check it out. Eligibility criteria is there are a few people for whom you can use these cards for. For example, they can be your immediate family members, basically your spouse, parents, brothers, sisters, family, in-laws, and basically your blood relations plus your first relations. That is a very basic things of it. They may reject you for your cousins and so on. So kindly see who you can apply for. There will be an option where you will get the chance. Now let me talk about the issues, but before that, guys, our Hindi channel has a set of videos which has been uploaded for members only, including how to get cashback on members only video, what is the cheat sheet for Cathay Pacific if you are interested in transferring your miles to Asia Miles, how to do credit card to bank account with nil or positive charges, how to book families, book your rooms for Marriott using Marriott point for friends and families, and a lot of other videos which are available on the internet, but there is no strict collection of them at one place. So that is why for 199 rupees only you will get all these access, plus you will get a 15-minute of chat with me and a group to our super secret WhatsApp group, which has a collection of around 400 odd members who keep interacting with each other and have a lot of discussions among themselves. There's nothing special, but yeah, the group is very good, I must say. So you can always try it for 199 rupees only. Plus our English channel, we are going to upload all those same videos, but subscribe to both the channels so that you don't miss on the update. Plus the important thing is, if you don't follow us on Twitter, you should, otherwise you may miss some important updates as well. Now we just discussed about what were the basic issues, but there are a few things. So first of all, I'll tell you the procedure. You have to put in their mobile number. There will be an OTP. And after the OTP, you have to provide their address, their name, their annual income and everything. Then an application number will be generated, which will start with AX. That's it. After that, you will get an option over there where you have to enter your mobile PIN. Now, I remember this because if you don't remember your mobile PIN, you may have to reset it and then again enter it. The good thing about this application process is you can resume it any time of the way. Like if you are not able to complete at a single step, you can resume it from that step very easily. That's one thing. Apart from that, after this, the application will be submitted. You will get an SMS, you will get a mail, and it will say that you have to share your there will be a link which will be sent to the add-on card holder's account, like on the mobile number, and you have to ensure that the mobile number is connected to their Aadhaar card. This message will come, and then you know that you are done from your side. Then you have to use the like add-on card holder's mobile phone, get hold of that and click on the link. So there, first of all, you have to enter the PAN card. PAN card will be verified using the mobile phone, and after that you have to do, that is called the basically KYC part. First your KYC part, and second, after that you again have to enter your address, plus you have to do an eKYC. So eKYC is done using your Aadhaar card of the add-on card holder. Whenever you enter the Aadhaar card of your add-on card holder, the address may not be same, but it is good to have. If they both are same, the card will be delivered at that location only. So here is where my problem came, because after you do the PAN card verification and the eKYC, there's one more link you have to go through. When you get through that link, this is the third step. So there you have to enter the marital status, full name, occupation status, annual income, etc. And here, as you can see, the mother's name is blank, but it is a mandatory field. So I was not able to get the submit option over here. So my application was stuck over here. Apart from that, I don't have any other option to apply for any other add-on card as of now, because this is stuck here. The other thing is, for 72 hours, the link for the add-on card holder's mobile number will be valid. So if you are stuck in between, you don't have any other option but to wait for the link to expire. You can try anybody else's name. However, the error here which I can see is like it is not able to fetch the mother's name from the Aadhaar data. That is what I can understand, and I can deduct. Apart from that, there are two more cases where if anyone has an existing Axis Bank customer relationship, their application may be rejected. Plus, some people's application is being rejected then and there only whenever they are entering the PAN number. So guys, so all in all, this is a very welcome step to do this process online. However, if you are facing an issue, I am sure if you are able to go to your nearest branch and apply for it, since the applications are open now, that will be carried out very easily. The only thing is, if you don't have to submit the hard paper along with it. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then subscribe to our channel. We have more than 32,500 subscribers. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys had fun. Take care, bye bye, see you. And if you get your add-on card, let me know in the comments. Take care, bye bye, see you, and Jai Hind.